Good evening, everyone. I'm Manjula with you. 100% admission to Tamil Nadu theatres from November 1. Permission is granted for the following activities from November 1st. That is, in all schools, classes to 1 to 8 will be allowed to run in rotation. Cinema theatres are allowed to operate with 100% fans following standard guidelines. China bans homework to help children recover from stress. In China, the government has drafted a bill banning practices including homework and special classes to protect children from stress. In China, the government has recently banned activities that could affect the mental health of children and adolescents. China is currently embarking on a new venture where children are already allowed to play online games only 3 hours a week. Thus, China has drafted a bill to ban the practice, including providing homework and conducting special classes for school children to reduce stress and improve their mental health. Parents are also advised to focus on spending time with their children and keeping them happy to prevent more children from spending too much time online. North Korea-Taiwan affair, condemnation to the United States. North Korea has condemned the United States' support for Taiwan in its conflict with China. The United States has accused Pope of escalating tensions with China over the move. According to North Korean Foreign Ministry spokesman Baek Myung-ho, the United States is increasing the military presence in the region, saying it supports Taiwan. Thus, the Pope's tension between China and their country is intensifying. This, in turn, poses a threat to the security of North Korea, which owns the region. Last birthday as a princess to Mako, who renounced the royal title for love. Mako, the daughter of King Naruhido's younger brother Bumikido of Japan, is about to fall in love with Kei Komuro, an ordinary family man who studied with her in college. According to centuries-old royal custom, if a princess marries a member of the ordinary family, she must renounce her royal title. Mako relinquished her royal title to capture her boyfriend and turned down $1.3 million, about rupees 9 crore 63 lakh in Indian currency, in compensation for women leaving the royal family. As the Mako Kei Komuro couple announced that their wedding would take place in December 2018, the marriage was postponed due to the debt issue of Kei Komuro's mother. Following this, in August 2018, Kei Komuro left for the United States to pursue his law studies. In this case, the wedding of Mako Kei Komuro is scheduled to take place on the 26th. At this point, today Mako celebrated his 30th birthday. It was the last birthday of Mako, the princess who renounced her royal title for love. Opening ceremony of the world's tallest wheel. In Dubai, the world's tallest wheel is located on the Blue Waters Island in Dubai. This means the Eye of Dubai. The opening ceremony of the wheel began yesterday with lavish celebrations such as concerts, food stalls and spectacular fireworks display. It is assembled and designed by two of the world's largest cranes using 11,200 tons of steel. This is 33% more than the amount used to build the Eiffel Tower. Tickets for the first day soon sold out. One rotation of the wheel takes about 38 minutes. You can see 360-degree views from the 48 cabins on the wheel. For safety reasons, a maximum of 10 to 12 people are allowed per cabin. Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed, the Crown Prince of Dubai, has posted a video of himself riding a wheel on social media. Fish that look like bananas in the Netherlands. A rare yellow fish like a banana was caught in the lake in the Netherlands. The rare fish was released back into the lake. Gladys was fishing with his brother on a lake in the Netherlands. Then one of the catfish, a full yellow fish, got caught in their hand. Surprised by the rare color, Glass took some photos and left them in the water again. The area is home to the largest species of fish known as the Welsh catfish. Catfish Celerus clanis. These are 50-year-old fish that live in lakes and rivers in Europe, growing up to 9 feet 2.7 meter and weighing up to 130 kilogram, often dark green black in color. But it was surprising that the fish caught was yellow throat. Claude said the fish were left in the water again because they were rare in color and had the potential to grow further.